Hey there! Today we're diving into a common, yet frustrating problem that many of us have encountered at some point, the dreaded issue of insufficient storage space on our devices. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or computer, running out of storage can be a major headache. Picture this. You're trying to download a new app or save some important files, only be greeted with a pop-up notification telling you that you're out of space. Oh, not ideal, right? Well, fear not, because we got a solution for you. In comes the solution to our storage space problem, deleting unnecessary or redundant files. By going through your device and clearing out any files or apps that you no longer need, you can free up valuable space and get your device running smoothly again. This solution may seem simple, but you'd be surprised at how much space can be taken up by files you no longer use. So, take some time to declutter your device and say goodbye to storage woes. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I need those files later on? Well, that's where cloud storage comes in as an additional solution. By utilizing cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, you can offload some of your files to the cloud, freeing up space on your device while still keeping your important data accessible whenever you need it. It's like having your own personal storage locker in the digital world. In summary, running out of storage space on your devices is definitely a common problem. But with a bit of decluttering and the help of cloud storage, you can easily free up space and get your device back in tip-top shape. So, go ahead and give your device some TLC by clearing out those unnecessary files, and consider using cloud storage for any files you want to keep but don't need on hand all the time. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own storage saving tips.